Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install WinSCP in your computer in a very simple way. It's a secure FTP and SFTP client for transferring files to a server. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for WinSCP download. And then you're going to get from the source forge. Click on this website, click on download, and it's about 11.7 MB. Click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and you can simply minimize all of your background tab. Click on install for all users, click yes for the permissions, click accept, next, and install. Very simple. So yeah, this is how we can simply do that. Now if you click on finish, your WinSCP will be rightly open in your computer in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.